I just want to share some news with you. I'm really excited about it. I went on Eventbrite and I've organised an online workshop. It's free. It's on the 26th of June. Everyone's welcome. It's just so I can explain a bit more. Thanks, air freshener. It's just so I can explain a bit more about the Thrive method and why I founded Live Well, Live True. So there's about 30 places. One went already and I was dead shocked. So like I said, you're more than welcome to pop on. There's no obligation. If you like what you hear, you can go onto my website and you can book a free discovery call, and then we can start getting you back to being you. You've got absolutely nothing to lose. I'm approachable, I'm non-judgmental, and I'm just looking forward to delivering this workshop. I can't wait. I do some in the community that I've booked. It's a massive adventure and I want you to come with me on it and find you again. So please give me a comment, give me a like. Thank you.